I take this, add this right here, and we take this connector, plug this in right here, and we should get fuel pressure on the dyno. Looking like right here, let me get rid of this. This is throttle position. Looks like we're running a little bit lean right here in the middle. Full E85 pull. You got some pretty decent gains at the top here. Went from 112 horsepower to 117. See here, we're still targeting the same air-fuel ratio, so we're gonna work on that right now. Gonna try to richen it up a little bit and add some timing, see what it does. I have a feeling we're gonna see at least 120 out of this. This is the torque gain. We went from 106 torque to 122 in the middle. The air-fuel ratio is dialed in pretty good on both of them. And just to see the conditions were really similar between both runs. And we could even check engine temperature. This one was a struggle, from dyno problems to detonation problems to all different kinds of stuff, but we finally saw some decent gains. Bunch of torque in the middle. Looks like we're about to go over to the car shop and see what they're doing over there.